Pandemic made our lives miserable. No cool events, not seeing friends for long, even playing sports was complicated for a long period. I'm glad playgrounds got open finally and parks are available now. But I reached the point when I just cannot cope with it anymore. I need to do something. I need to switch my perspective, at least a bit. Otherwise I will go wild. Wait. It's exactly what I did. 7 in the morning. We just came to the 34th Street Station E-train, trying to find our way through this gnarly subway pathway to Penn Station. People seem not happy. Some are rushing to work, some are homeless. This time was not easy for many. We got to the train. The first stop is Secaucus, New Jersey, where we'll catch our next train to Tuxedo.
So we came to the Tuxedo, and I see hills right there already. We're gonna climb one. It's nice. It's morning, it's 8:30.
Today we woke up so early to get back a little bit of freedom.
Finally, I'm in the forest. I'm out of this quarantine bullshit. Oh my god, I love it here. I cannot tell you guys how cool it is being in the natural habitat. I'm gonna sleep here for a few days. Just wake me up when it's all gone. Alright, what we have here? It's a shelter. And I wonder if I can get inside. Oh, yeah. Wow. This is the whole shelter. There's a wooden floor here. And also a stone floor. Look. You can sleep here. Somebody left a granola bar. Are you hungry? It's just incredible, very calm. And we're gonna have a little lunch here. Yeah. I want my burrito. I have 2 burritos. It was an amazing day. I didn't want to go hiking, but like, no regrets. It was the best. Thanks, Alex.
Yep.
Made my day. But the funny thing, we went super far. We're like 5-6 hours from the station, and it's already a golden hour, you can tell by the highlights on my face. And we're still going from the station to see some kind of lake and a house near the lake. And I don't know how we're gonna come back. I think we're missing the best shots right now because we're kind of in a rush. but we still want to stop at every 10 meters, you know, because it's just sublime. The sunlight is coming through the leaves and it's just amazing. It like draws a pattern on your face, on your body, on everything, on the ground. It's mind-blowing. But we probably have around 30 minutes to reach the place we wanted to see, and then we will spend around 3-4 hours coming back to the station, which is kind of extreme because this place is a little bit wild. It's so beautiful, you cannot miss it. Alright, but we have to go. Yeah, the sun is almost down and we're still around 4 hours from the station, and we're gonna go through the wild forest.
We didn't make it to the lake after all, and we almost got lost in the dark after sun went down. Fortunately, we found a crossing road and spent 2 hours walking by this road. Was it worth it? 100%. The next day I was recharged.